All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Today we're going to take a second look at Keyword Phoenix. It's been a while since I've done an updated review on this, and I've been working with Andy Black, the owner and creator of Keyword Phoenix, and we've worked out a really special deal only for LearnWire audience. This week, let me pull up the slide here. And what you're going to be able to get, I'm going to go over this right away. So you have Keyword Phoenix special. It's Monday, October 21st to Sunday, October 27th. You're going to be able to save $30 and get 3 months for free on top of the savings, right? They're also adding 3 months for free for you. You're going to get this for just 67 bucks for the next 15 months. So when you break that down, it comes out to $4.46 per month to use the tool. You'll be able to create up to 250 AI articles per month with this tool, but this is a keyword research tool. So let me jump in and show you what we've got going on here. So this is the tool, and we're going to go in and I'm going to show you some of the case studies that he's done, the rankings that he's been able to accomplish using the tool as well. And they've added in a really good feature where we can go in and if you want to go and check out the full-blown review and tutorial on how to use the tool in its entirety, it's also a very heavy SEO keyword research tool where you can really dive into your competition, the top 10, and really analyze their tags and their headings and everything that they're doing to rank, including backlinks and so forth. So this is a pretty heavy SEO tool, but I'm going to really focus on just the keyword research aspect of this tool and how it can help you, because recently he's added in the feature where when we add in a seed keyword, now you can also go in here and measure one word at a time if that's what you want to do. But generally, you're probably going to be using this enter a seed keyword over here, and it's going to use Google Auto Suggest to find low competition keywords, long tail keywords that people are searching for, but they may not have a whole bunch of search volume and so forth. And we can go out there and rank easily for these keywords. So if you go in here to the seed keyword, I'm going to type in keto diet right here, and I'm going to say uncover more keywords. Now it's going to go to work for us right now. So while that's in the queue researching for us, you can see we've already done some other searches right over here, snowboarding, 186 keywords that it uncovered for us. I'll go show you that on the fresh look at the keto diet. But before we do that, let's go and take a look at this offer and what we can get right over here. So you can see if you click the link below, you're going to be able to go to this page. This is a very specific page. If you click on any other link going to this tool, the normal price, I believe, is $97. And so you can save $30 and get this for just $67 today. I usually don't push pricing on you guys or anything like that, but I want you guys to know what kind of a good deal this actually is. This is just, partnering with a good software developer that's been around doing this for the last 20 years. And he's created a pretty nifty little SEO keyword research tool for you. So this is only for LearnWire customers, and you can go and get this right over here. So basically it says the easiest page one keyword Google rankings you'll ever achieve. Do you want to get ranked on first page within hours without having to build backlinks, write content, or spend time on tedious SEO tasks? With just a few clicks, you'll be able to achieve top 10 results like this. And so you can see right over here, they've added in different features from the last time I reviewed this. It might have been 6 months to a year ago when I reviewed this, and he's gone back to work on the software to make improvements. He's added in a color-coded star. Obviously, green means very easy to rank for. The yellows are still really good because it's kind of based on this SEO score. Anything under 35% or lower is going to at least be a yellow or a green, I believe. But you can see all these rankings, number 1, number 2, number 7, 6, and all these are long-tail keywords that people are typing in, and we'll go and look at another one here in a minute. But I can show you by coming up here and just showing you some of the stuff, like right over here, rewrite articles for money, rewriter app. This is Andy's website, and just to show you that it's not like a major DA website or anything like that. He's not running backlinks to this tool or anything. We checked the domain rank over here is only an 18 right over here. So not a whole lot, literally 500 backlinks to his site, right? So it's not an authority site. And then when you come in here and you start looking at the content that is being written on these sites, I went and checked one of them, less than 800 words right here. And he has a tool I'm going to show you right now how to go out and quickly find some good keywords and then write some AI content that he, in his testing, he's using this tool and he's getting all these rankings. And that's what I really wanted to show you guys. So then we come over here, paid guest posting, meaning you can come over here. He's got a top 10 ranking for that, ranking number 8. Then we come over here, is keyword research a skill? You come over here, he's ranked number 2 for that, right? So when we come in here, just coming back over here, showing you that on this page that you guys will be looking at, is keyword research a skill? This one came out in green, and then we go and we look at the rankings of this one. Is keyword research a skill? And he's ranked number 2 right here. So the keywords that he has on the page, they do check out, and they've been holding rankings for quite some time. And so you're welcome to go and test out some of these as well. So you can come over here and just say, like right over here, let's look at this one. Which type of keywords are easier to rank for? So we'll go and we'll open this up. Which types of keywords are easier to rank for? And we'll type that in. That one's a little bit more competitive. The rankings have fallen on that one, but which types of keywords are easier to rank for? Of course, this is SEO related, but he still grabbed the page 3 ranking number 26 right there. We'll do one more. And then this one right over here, our slide shows bad for SEO, ranked at number 12 right here. No backlinks going to the website or anything like that, or to the pages. All right, so let's go check on our keywords over here. So I'm gonna go and push the refresh. We've got our keto diet list right over here. There's 188 keywords. And what we'll do is we'll go and we'll view all keywords right here. All right, so once you open this up, right, so for these keywords right over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the maximum SEO score, and we're going to narrow this down a lot. I'm going to go into, let's look at the ones that are 15% or less, so extremely easy keywords. You can also go over here to the maximum number of search results, because the tool does go out and analyze, and it will, I'm not sure if that part works yet until we analyze our keywords, but I am going to just apply. There isn't really a whole lot we can do. One other thing I like to do is come over here and look for minimum number of keywords. So maybe we'll go to like 4 right there and then push apply filter and see what we end up with. This way we can kind of narrow our list down to some longer tail keywords, at least 4 words or more. Typically, if it's less than 4 keywords, it's probably going to have some pretty good competition still. So we still have 183 entries. So I'm going to go ahead and move this up here to 8 right there. And then we'll go into apply filter and come down here. Now we have 7 keywords. Cool. So this, we'll just go with this for now. Obviously you can go and play with this, right? We can go to 7 and then push apply. And it's probably going to give us an increase in keywords over here. So we have 26 entries, okay? So next what you'd want to do, now that we've filtered our initial result, we want to go and analyze these keywords. And this is a little bit different kind of type of keyword research tool. It's going out and doing a lot of analysis. You have to think, it's going out there and doing an all-in title search and so forth. So this isn't one of your bulk keyword tools where you're going to be looking at millions of keywords at a time. This is, think about this, all the keywords in here, generally speaking, are coming from Google search results, right? So the auto suggest, right? When you type in a keyword into Google auto suggest, it's playing the alphabet soup game and finding these keywords that are long tail that people are searching for. They just might not be extremely competitive or, very high volumes. And so we do need to come in here. You do have to click the button. That's one thing I have talked with Andy. They are going to work on trying to get us to be able to do, 10, 20, 30 keywords at a time. But essentially this is what you do. It's going to go to the queue and it's going to analyze this. So I'm going to go and analyze these keywords and I'll be right back. Now, while those are analyzing, I want to show you a really cool feature. Now, natively, the tool does not bring in search volume, but there's a really easy way to be able to do that. So if you're using any other keyword research tool, literally any other keyword research tool, all you need is the keyword in a column and the search volume in another, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually use a really popular, or not a popular, but a popular keyword tool that about 1.5 years ago that I had promoted to you guys and shown you guys on the channel, and it's called Insta Keywords, right? And this tool is very still alive, surviving a lot better than a lot of the lifetime deal softwares that you guys see on some of the popular sites like AppSumo. This tool's been around I think for about 2 years now, and it's still working fine. So that's actually very encouraging. And Insta Keywords and works really well with a tool like Phoenix. And so I've already gone in here and done the research. We've got about 300 keywords in here that I used Insta Keywords, which is great because it does find the search volume. And then what I did was I clicked the export CSV file right there. And then we'll come over here and you can see right over here's the 269 keywords. And then column B is the volume, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and just save this. And then I'm going to go ahead and exit. And then we'll go back into our Keyword Phoenix tool. And then what we'll do is we'll go to navigate, and then we'll go over to the import keywords function over here, choose file. We'll come right over here. And here's the Insta Keywords export right here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that and we'll upload it. Well, now we need to just tell it. Now we could tag this. I have a couple tags in here. I would need to tag this as whatever, I forgot what the keyword was on this one, but you can add your tag, which is super cool. I'm gonna go ahead and skip that for now. But the column that contains the keywords is the first column, and then the column that contains the search volume was the second column, right? And we're gonna push the import keywords. And so now it is going to import this for us. And we're gonna have search volume. So you can see how that took literally seconds. And so that way you can combine a couple different tools together, use another keyword tool to kind of do keyword research a little bit faster and get the search volumes, but then use the really big advantage, which is the SEO features and the keyword analysis features in Keyword Phoenix that takes it to a whole nother level. Plus we have the AI writer that I'm going to show you in just a minute. All right, so here's that imported list we're going to take a look at. So of course you have your SEO score. We can come down here and just look. So now you have the search volumes in here. So you could go in here and now you can look at keywords, enter a minimum monthly search volume. So if you want to look at keywords that have at least 100, for example, and let's just say we want to look at them that they have at least, let's go with 5 right there. And then you get this little handy thing right here. You can, how many keywords you want to display. I'm just going to select 100 right there. And then you can also filter right here. And then you can also select this show easy keywords only. I'm going to say apply filter now and see what we've got from our list. So here is a filtered down version of our list right here. Now you can select this by, like, you can sort it by, you know, the minimum and the maximum right here. We have our SEO scores right here as well, our number of keywords. If we wanted to just show easy keywords, we could apply that as well. But we need to analyze them first, actually. So that's pretty cool that we can do that. Let's go back to the keto diet and we'll come into view key. Okay, so if you've analyzed some keywords and let's say we want to go and write some content, we go into one of our keywords tags right over here. Here's where you save all your tags and so forth. Or if you just have a keyword project based on a seed keyword, we'd come in here. Let's go look at the keto diet again. Okay, so we've analyzed some keywords. I'm going to come in here, and what you could do is just come in here and let the tool do its work. You can use the filters up here, of course, but you can go in here and just say, show easy keywords only. We'll apply this. And you're going to see all these green boxes right here. That means that the analyzation is done and we can go and look at them. Now there, you'll see that there's green stars right here and yellow stars. There probably won't be any red ones because we selected easy keywords. Now, don't let the yellows or orange color deter you from creating content on that. It just means that the green ones are even easier to rank for. There is a unique algorithm and it's basing it based on the SEO score. The SEO score is taking in all of the top 10 current ranked pages for that keyword and all of their, all their SEO stuff, all their on page, all their title tags, all their, just the on page and the backlinks is taken into consideration. All that stuff factors that in. But then you also have the search results as well, the all-in title as well. So all those are factoring into why it ends up being a green keyword or a yellow or orange keyword. But at the end of the day, you'll see that the percentages are very close. They're all still going to be, they're all easy keywords to rank for. So the way that I look at this essentially is you would write content for all these keywords. Okay. So let's just go and look at one real quick. Let's just take a look at this one right over here. Look, it has literally 108 results, right? Like not even 250,000 results right here. It's only got one all-in title right over here. So it's going to be, you should have a really easy way to rank for this. It just, there's no competition. This is the, what's going to separate this tool from other keyword research tools is that there's going to be a little bit more granular work to discover these keywords as far as, clicking, analyze, and so forth. But you're going to be able to discover keywords like this. Our keto diet's good for diabetics. And the amount of search results is less than 250,000. And, talking with Andy, and he's been doing SEO for 20 years, he would actually start up here at 500 million or even 250 million. And that would be an indication of the SEO score being around 35%, I believe. And 35% or lower would be keywords that you would want to go for. So essentially, when you're looking at 250 million search results compared to 189,000, there's almost no comparison, right? This should be a very easy keyword to rank for. And then it pulls in the all-in title. And so they're using a lot of resources in this tool in order to pull all this, right? And for those of you that know the value of all-in title, just go to Fiverr and type in all-in title keyword research tool or keyword research or the golden keyword ratio research method. This takes a lot of resources and a lot of proxies and a lot of infrastructure in order to pull all-in title for every single keyword. So I just wanted to kind of mention that's what separates this from other keyword research tools. We're kind of analyzing each keyword as we're looking at it, instead of it just being thrown into a giant keyword research tool like Ahrefs and then sitting there for months and months before it's refreshed. Plus, you don't even have the all-in title and search results. So this tool is definitely for those that want very easy keywords to rank for, and then you also want to factor in search results and all-in title as a factor in your algorithm in order to determine if a keyword is easy to rank for or not. And then on top of that, what's cool is that Andy also added in here the top 10 current ranking pages, and that's factored in as well. And that's where you get all these numbers. So hopefully, I think Andy will probably be watching this. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. And I also explained it in layman's terms and in easy terms for people to understand. It's got a really cool algorithm. Okay. So let's go and create some content. Our keto diet's good for diabetics. We'll come in here, boom, and view SEO data. I just wanted to show you real quickly, if you click the view SEO data on a keyword, let's just open that up. This is where you're gonna, people that are into, looking at the SEO of other pages, you're gonna be able to look at all of the H tags. You could actually copy all these, go send them into your favorite large language model and write based on that. You could even combine multiple top ranking pages. You have all the information that you would have to install a bunch of plugins in Chrome and so forth to get this data, but you can look at all this data right here based on all of the top pages and what they're currently ranking for. So for example, you want to also look at, the SEO score right here, and you can kind of look at view all data on this and what that's going to do. We can toggle this. But this is where you can see the average content for all the ranking pages. Then you can look at all the different pages. So SEO score right there, and start looking at the more green you see, the better and easier that the keyword is to rank for. So, I mean, you have like right over there at 2%, 17%. So that's why this keyword in the algorithm, it kind of tells a story of why this is actually a good keyword to go after. Everything is in SEO green, which means that you should pursue this keyword. Okay. So I'm going to go back real quick, and I want to show you our keto diet's good for diabetes or diabetics. And then we can come over here. You can create an outline, and we'll show you what that looks like. It's in the queue. We can retrieve NLP keywords. And then once that's done, we can go and create content as well. So once that's done, you push refresh. You could go and I'm going to go ahead and push the create content button as well. So that's in the queue. You'll be able to come up here and see success. Your content request is processing. I'm going to come down here and show you what the NLP keywords look like. So here's a list of NLP related keywords for the topics. Our keto diet's good for diabetics. So you have all these keywords. You could go and put this into your favorite. And these are long tail keywords. And you could, put it into Claude AI, put it into ChatGPT, put it into Koala or Agility Writer, or any of your favorite SEO writing tools, AI writing tools, right? So there's your NLPs, pretty cool. You can copy to clipboard really easily. And then you can go and look at the outline that was created. So we have an introduction, brief overview of this. We have a introduction to the keto diet, understanding the keto diet, explanation of ketogenic diet principles. And you can see the entire the entire outline that is produced. But really what you want to look at is I'm going to push refresh real quick. When we come through here, you also have, since we created content, we also have a meta description right here. So here's your meta description that you would use. You can copy to clipboard and it's in markdown format. And then you can come over here and look at the content, right? So we can go look at the content right here and we can go copy to clipboard, copy, and we'll go into, so we paste it in. Here's what the article looks like right over here, looking good. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and we can go up here to our word counter real quick and to just see kind of how many words that we got written. So we got a 642 word article. Our keto diet's good for diabetics. And then you can see right over here, it's just going to go out through the entire process. It's going to talk about fat, protein, carbohydrates, and you can see the content right there. So in all of Andy's testing, these articles just straight up rank because it's taking all of the information from the top 10 websites and then condensing it down and writing only what Google needs in order to answer this. So it's not producing these 2,500 word articles. It's producing exactly what content we need to rank on page 1. So even better, if we take this content, so copy to clipboard, and then we go into our website and hover over, create a new page. And if you're using the newer, I think Gutenberg, you can just do a Control V, paste that in. It's going to paste it directly in and the formatting and everything is going to be ready to go. Perfect. Look at this. So this is what you want. It's ready to go. It's perfect. Add an image and so forth. We can go, I'll go ahead and publish this and we'll do some testing with this as well. So this has been an update video on Andy Black's Keyword Phoenix. This is a special that we've put together for only people that are watching LearnWire right here. Go and check this out. If it's a software that you think that will be good for you, go ahead and you can click on that and you can get this for $67 and you can see the pricing right over here. This is a software that Andy sells. It's an evergreen product. So this is something that he works on a daily, weekly basis. He only runs about 3 or 4 softwares, tools. He has like an AI writer. He has an SEO keyword research tool like this one. He has a couple other tools in his arsenal and he updates these all the time. You've got customer support, all that kind of good stuff. Okay. And so his normal pricing it's 12 months and it's usually $97. But right now, only during this week, you can get 15 months access. So you get 3 additional months and then you're also getting $30 knocked off the price. So it's like a really good deal. So you got that $30 discount and an extra 3 months access to this tool that's basically going to write unlimited AI articles for you, unlimited keyword research for you, SEO, all the good stuff. So go check this out. Again, this is only going to be available until October. So today's Monday, October 21st, and this sale is only going to be available for Sunday, October 27th. So if you end up watching this after Sunday, October 27th, it's still an amazing tool and you still should go pick it up. The link will still be below, but you just might not be getting the sale at $67. You'll be getting it at $97. And then also you won't be getting the 3 additional months. So you're getting more than a year of access for this for less than $5, $4.46 right now. Go pick this up. I think this is a steal. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.